Hi everybody, this is CR number 18, helper video number 3. It says, which of the following relations is a function? Now, if you recall from what we've learned in class, when we're looking at whether something is a function or not, we are only focused on the input values. And in this situation of ordered pairs, which is what we have, the input value is always the x value, and the x comes before the y value. So when we are looking at input values, we are going to be focused on the first number here. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that first number in this first group here. I have a 7, I have a 9, I have a 3, and I have a 9. As soon as you see two of these numbers that are exactly the same with different outputs, then that ratio becomes a 1-to-2 ratio, and it is not a function. So now I'm going to go ahead and look at B and circle their first numbers. I have a -7, a -1, another -7. As soon as I see those two of the same, not a function because it becomes a 1-to-2 relationship. We have an 8, a 6, a 6. Okay, already not a function. I've got the same input values to two different outputs. That's a 1-to-2 ratio. I have a 4, a 7, a 6, and there it is, a second 4. Not a function because I have one input, which is a 4, going to two different outputs, a -1 and a 0. Last but not least, I have a 10, a 5, an 8, and a 3. All of those input values are different, so it is a function. Good luck.